Got some new bees that are just starting to fly. They come out and then they're doing an orientation. They come out and then they start circling around and then they go back. They're coming out and back. So I suspect these are bees that are just starting to fly out of the hive. It's rained the last couple days, and it rained pretty good overnight and this morning, and it just started clearing up a little bit, and so now they're active. It's 65 degrees on the outside of the hive. Wind's still blowing pretty good though, but look at these ones. They come flying out and they're not leaving, most of them. They're just coming out and doing some, I think, orientation. So I'm gonna do my, what is this, 6th oxalic acid vaporization here in a minute. Getting ready for that. And we're gonna look at the bottom board. That'll be that won't be on a short. That'll be on a regular video with full resolution, not this 1/3 crap that is in this mode. The mode that YouTube loves. They want to be like TikTok. I don't know why. Good content is 16:9. Not 9:16. I mean, if it's not boobies jiggling, what's the point? Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Anyway. I have it really restricted because I've been having another hive coming over. Oh, there's somebody coming in with some pollen. So they are getting pollen even right after the rain. That's great. All right. Go, ladies. Oh, there's somebody just got kicked out. There's someone that is probably at the end of their life. A lot of them will self leave.